Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. I know, what is this background? But I'm on a cruise. I told you guys I was going on vacation. This is one of the dresses that I tried on in my shorts, but I'm already running late. Why? Because I couldn't get out of bed. I'm exhausted. But it is a formal night here on the cruise, so I'm gonna get ready. You guys are gonna get ready with me for formal night. I'm not gonna do anything crazy, just like a smoky eye and probably a red lip. I don't usually do a smoky eye and a red lip, but I want to cruise my night. So if you guys are ready to get into this, get ready with me on a cruise ship. Keep on watching. Try to get a little bit closer. You guys know I do my brows first. I'm going to use this NYX the face glue primer. You guys don't have oily skin, so this really don't do it for me, but I brought it. Like this. Okay, there we go. And I have sunscreen on, so I'm looking real oily anyway. I'm gonna go over that with like a powder. But I like to bring products on vacation that I'm not afraid to lose. And I also bring products that like are on their last leg. So everything here, most everything I'm getting rid of. I don't bring like my favorite things because why would I want to lose them while I'm on vacation? That's absolutely foolish. If the sound is a little crazy, it's because I have my mic here. Like I just have to pin it to the dress. And that's it. I should have brought tweezers. My brows are like, Anyway, I tried to get some natural light. I tried to get some natural light going, but it just didn't look as good. So this is where we at. This is what we're doing. This is what we at. This is what we're doing. Sorry. And I'm just gonna use some ARiiE Cosmetics translucent face powder, but I'm gonna use a brush to do it. So far, you know, whatever. Cruises, say it's a lot better. I'm not like really exploring the ship. I have no interest in people hating on me or talking to me, to be honest. But it's a smaller ship, an older ship. Would I recommend this ship? No, I wouldn't. I'm sorry. It's Royal Caribbean. I usually, just gonna move back a little bit. I usually do Carnival cruises, and everybody's like, "Oh, Carnival's so ghetto." It's the ghetto one. It's the fun one. Okay, it's the fun one. And I don't know. I think they upkeep their ships a lot better. I also don't like a lot of things are not included, like a lot of the restaurants. I think Carnival gives you a lot more restaurants that are just included with your stay. You see how it's mattifying? And I think that that's great. I'm not doing anything really crazy on the ship ever. Maybe just like my birthday look, and I'll try to get like a tutorial out for that as well. But the plan is to get content, and I already did not have a memory card for some of this. Okay, I think that's good enough. Now for the brows, I'm just gonna use a brow gel first just to place them so I can end up using just less product. And this is one that I got on my 25 days of Christmas, the advent calendar. If you didn't check out those shorts, there's a whole playlist of them. If you want to check it out, if you want to just see everywhere, if you want to just see a few. Cool. When I was doing my makeup last night for dinner, because I feel like I'm just gonna get dressed every day for dinner, because why not? I'm on vacation and I wasn't really having a good time, so I need to look good. I'm just gonna let this dry and start on my brows. Also, had these cards to fill out, like if I want them to deliver breakfast, they gave us these. There's no pens, okay? A case of 6 water is $25. Am I gonna buy it? Yeah, because I just feel like I'm extremely dehydrated on the ship. Every meal I've just been getting water. I don't really drink anything either. You guys know I don't drink soda. It's like teas and stuff. So there was really no point in me getting a drink package. And I almost did like for like coffees and stuff, but there's coffee at dinner. I'm just waiting for this to dry down so I can go ahead and do my brows. For brushes, I just brought a few. My brother's girlfriend actually got me like a travel set of brushes and this cute bag. So I'm like, perfect. And I told her, I was like, girl, you ain't even know it that I needed this. So perfect. I also brought lashes that are on their last leg. I bring products like even my toner, my serum, last leg products, because I'm just gonna throw them out and not bring them back with me. That's just how I do. This is the way I get a copyright strike. So here we go. So the brushes are in here. They're just small brushes, but they're good quality brushes. And I'm going to use my Zulu palette and this gel eyeliner to get the smoky eye. So my brows are done. I'm just gonna start on the brows now. See, look, I don't even have to comb them up because they're already combed up. And you guys know my Anastasia Zip Brow Pomade. But yeah, so far today is a lot better. I just decided that I'm just gonna use my dining package to the fullest and make reservations wherever, whenever I need to eat. This morning I did have breakfast with the common folk upstairs, and it's just like, yeah, Carnival's Lido deck would never. Why is there so many people that we gotta wait in line and like wait for people to leave for tables to free up? Like that I didn't like. I didn't really care for the selection of breakfast either. It wasn't bad, but yeah, I wasn't really impressed. See how much easier that is? I just very minimal effort to get a look that looks like, girl, who is she? Where is she going? Even though they see the blue hair, they know it's me. Yeah. And at dinner last night, he was like, oh, you came by yourself? Wow. Even in checking in, it's just like, okay, I'm gonna do what I want to do. I also have had terrible birthdays, so I was just not going to wait for anybody to be there and to make my plans. It just wasn't going to happen. So tomorrow we are in Haiti, and that's the 7th. And on the 8th, my birthday, I will be in DR for like a full-on 6-hour adventure, which is crazy. Brows are done. They took a little longer than expected, but you know, they alright. I'm going to go with my Zulu palette just to that brown and just get like a transition. You know what annoys me? Since we chatting here, we're talking to get ready with me, not a tutorial. And these little brushes are really nice. I believe they're from Marshalls. I don't even care. This was a very nice gift. Thank you, Gabby. You know what I hate? When I say like, and they like, oh, how are you? And I tell you, like, well, you know, yesterday was absolutely hell, because yesterday was hell. And then they kind of just don't say anything, and then after a while they just start a new conversation. I hate people like that. I really, really do. Because like, just say you don't care. Just say you don't care. Say you don't care, and I would understand. How's everybody doing? How am I feeling? I feel like I'm only happy when I'm eating on the ship, and I'm gonna keep eating. So I have reservations. I don't have any reservations tomorrow. I didn't make any for anything, but I should. Tomorrow I am going snorkeling in Haiti, so we'll see. I like picked like one water thing to do before, because also snorkeling is not like scuba diving. You're mostly not in the water, you're above the surface. Because I'm good if my roots don't get wet. It's way easier to dry my hair if my roots don't get wet, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm good, and then I can be cute for the rest of the shit. But like in DR on my birthday, I'm doing like, we're doing like, I guess it's like a tour, then it's like buggy to a waterfall with the like natural slides. Am I getting in the water? Probably not. I'm not in the mood to dry my hair on my birthday when I have reservations at like the steakhouse on ship, all included my dining package, by the way. And yeah, I think that's good. Do I have the right brushes for this? No, but we're just gonna work with it. We're gonna work with it. We're gonna work with it. You know what that is? I'm gonna use this pink concealer brush and my Ruby Kisses gel eyeliner. You guys know I start from the lash line and work my way up. This is like also really, really old, so if I lost it, it gets damaged, I wouldn't feel no way. And using this big brush just makes it like a lot easier. With this, I would say always put down a transition shade first, because once it dries, it's not easy to blend over it, and you'll just have to end up going back in with the gel eyeliner. I hope the sound is good. You'll end up going back over with the gel eyeliner to cover up wherever the shadow fell. So I checked my dining, like I have my time dining where you just go on your own time starting at 6:45. So I actually have time. It's 5:35 and this is coming out after, oh my god, so I'm recording this on a Monday. This is the 6th, as Dashi would say. It's the 6th. My video of, you know, my vlog of getting my puppy comes out. Oh my god, did you guys like it? Oh my gosh, a little baby. I'm gonna be that dog mom that be like, my baby's 37.5 weeks. My baby's 637 weeks old. I hate when y'all parents do that, but yeah, that's where we at. Is he the cutest fucking dog? Yeah. Is he hilarious? He's so dramatic, and it's just like, you are my child. I love that for us. Love it. But let me just finish up off camera. I'm not really doing much else to the eye. I'm just going to finish this one up, finish both of them up, make sure it's blended. I'm gonna do some liner. I'm probably gonna finish, I don't know, low-key want to finish up off camera and not waste no time. You guys have seen me do a smoky eye a million times. This one just does not have any glitter. It's just plain Jane smoky eye, but this is the shape that we're going for. It looks good. I need to smoke out. Shut up, y'all. So we're just about done. Gonna plug in my flat iron. This is a million years old. It was like $20 on Amazon. My cousin put me on, because if it's one thing the girl knows, it's a flat iron, and if it's one thing, it's less than $25, to be honest. So this actually has like heat settings. I'm just gonna turn it on and put it on like 419. I'm gonna like, it gets hot really fast, so I think it's like a Conair too. I don't know what it is. I'd have to check my Amazon purchases. I've had it that long, but it's good. Now the red lip, first of all, my lashes were not cooperating. That was kind of ghetto, kind of corny, kind of trying to sabotage me. My lashes were not cooperating. The red lip was not the red lip that I wanted, and I didn't wear the lip liner, so I just paired it with my brown Live Glam liquid lipstick in Resting Burnt Face. It's it. I love it, and it works. It just, okay. Also, I'm not really worried about my makeup being perfect. Like, I'm pretty sure nobody's makeup is gonna be as good as mine on this trip. Sorry, no shade, but it's the truth. Whatever. So I'm just gonna do my hair. Like I said, this is like I fake do my hair. That was kind of ghetto. And I'm gonna have to wash my hair tomorrow anyway, so I don't really give a shit. Don't really give a fuck. Don't really give a shit. But it's already getting hot. I'm going to now just take oh my lash. All right, I'm just gonna take a nice little section, preferably like the piece that's like layered. I'm going to make a little curl with my flat iron. I should probably move back one pass to straighten. See, it gets hot real fast. And I'm just gonna, this part came out, but it's gonna be fine. I'm just gonna roll it in my flat iron and then let it come out. That's not it, y'all, because that's not the look. What we are now gonna do is take our fingers, our phalanges. Look at me doing, oh my god, covered. Look at me doing a hair tutorial. I'm not even a hair stylist, but this is like what I do to fake do my hair, y'all. I usually, like when it's curly, I usually do like a wand, and I have a travel size wand that I think I got for like $35 or something like that, and I'm just gonna use a good old-fashioned duck clip and pin it up. And I'm just gonna do the same here, but not go as high. Look at this one here. I was making great time, and now dinner's like, it's almost time to start making my way to dinner. But like, it's cool. I don't leave this in too long. I can put my shoes on. Don't watch how many passes that was. That was not good. But I'm just gonna, usually I do this a lot better, but now I guess I'm getting nervous because I have audience. All 4 of you that watch when this drops. I mean, y'all watch, like the video. I'm tired of telling y'all. And I'm just gonna do the same thing. And again, I don't like ends feeling any kind of crunchy, so I'm just gonna go ahead. And I'm basically just gonna do this for like some good chunks. It's not gonna be perfect, but yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this side now, and then the back I don't really care, because the back of my head is is not really my business. If I'm being completely honest with you guys, it's really not. And you see, I'm not really parting nothing crazy. I'm just getting sections. So that should be good. You kind of want to make sure all the hair is on the plate. It doesn't have to be perfect because, again, you're going to go in with your fingies. Alright. That looks a mess. Sorry, but I'm not, I brushed it out, but I'm not going to put more heat in it. That's a little crazy. I'm just going to now use my fingers. And I'm just going to do this for the rest of my heat and come back and show you guys the final look. Thanks for chilling with me. Look how this is embarrassing me right now. Here's the final look. I wish I had like the facilities to give you guys like a whole outfit thing. Maybe I could snap of it. I don't know how I would do this. I really don't. It's kind of... Okay. This is as... I don't know, but... Is it time for me to go make my way to dinner? It is. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me. If you liked the video, make sure you go ahead and like the video. This was obviously different. Get ready with me. Different location. I'm on a cruise ship. It's actually swaying. Tomorrow morning I will be in Haiti going snorkeling. So look out for my vlog. I don't know if it'll be in there. I'm getting as much as I can, but it's just me and like, I don't know if I want to bring my camera out in Haiti. I'm not saying that it could get stolen, but anything could happen. I gotta, you know, keep my head on a swivel everywhere, even here. And I have not been exploring the ship either, so. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, make sure you go ahead and like the video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this look. I think I saved it with the lip. It's actually really simple, but look how it looks like I got a blowout. Who is she in my mirror? But that's it, guys. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork, even on vacation. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next time.